Hey everyone, what if I told you that 10,000 rupees is all you need to kickstart your journey to 1 crore? Now, a lots of people who are watching this video will not be able to get there because it requires extreme hard work and dedication. So, this video is dedicated to only those selected number of people who want to make a huge change. So, in this video, I will be talking about top 4 realistic way to turn 10,000 into 1 crore. So, without any further delay, let's directly jump into the video. And the second way of turning 10,000 into 1 crore is actually creating online courses. So if you take the example of Ankur Bariko, you may or may not know him. Ankur Bariko has earned more than 60 crore from selling online courses. And what he need to do, he just need to record a course and promote it using AdSense, Facebook and YouTube. That's all that he has done to create 60 crore by just selling online courses. So once you decided to go with this path to make your 10,000 into 1 crore by doing course selling online, in that case you need to know the exact way of creating content and the mistakes that you should avoid. So the first thing is choosing a topic where the competition is really low but the demand is extremely high. It's hard to find this type of topic because currently the market is very much saturated, but there are so many topics that are not that saturated. The demand is really high but nobody is creating content on that topic. So after you decide this type of topic, the next step is validating your topic. So before launching your course, it's better to make some videos on that topic and get feedback from your friends and family to validate your topic. The next step is define your audience. So you need to know exactly for whom you are making your content, whether you are making content for college students or professional. In that case, you can optimize your content in such a way that they get as much value as possible. And the third thing is outlining your content. You need to know exactly what are the things that you will be covering in your content, and then break your content into modules and start working on each module. After you've done the above step, the next step is choosing the right platform. And there are mainly 3 major platforms on which you can promote your course. First, YouTube, second, Instagram, and third, Facebook. So I would say you will find most of the productive people who are really interested to learn something new is YouTube. Most of people that are there in the Facebook and Instagram, they are there to waste their time. So I would say it's better to promote your course on YouTube. So the chances will be much higher that they will be interested to buy your course. The second step is creating a sales page. So you can make a website in minutes using other AI website makers. So you can use this as well to create your website where you will be selling your courses, right? And the third step is setting pricing. So you need to create a price in such a way that if the price is 500, you have to give value at least worth rupees 1000. Otherwise people may call you scammer, because nowadays there are so many online courses are there who is making huge claims at the starting of their courses, but they are not able to deliver that. So the first and one of the most convenient way to turn 10,000 into 1 crore is actually making content on YouTube. Now the question is it really possible to turn 10,000 into 1 crore using YouTube AdSense only? So if you take the example of Manoj De, Ranveer Alavadia, Technical Guruji and other big YouTubers, Manoj De is actually making more than 20 lakhs rupees from YouTube only. And it's not only just big YouTubers, there are so many YouTubers who are making huge amount of money. Now let's back to it, how you can replicate the same. So I am assuming that everybody who is watching this video has their own smartphone, right? Then all you need is a good tripod which will cost you around 1000, a basic cloth, background cloth which will cost you around 400 to 500, a softbox light which will cost you around 5000, and a Booyah mic which will cost you around 1000 to 1500. That's all you need, and all of these things can be arranged under 10,000 rupees. So when you decided to go with YouTube, the second step is choosing the right format. Now there are two types of format on YouTube: short form and long form. Short form is reels and long form is like a podcast that you watch, or more than 5 minutes or 2 minutes, 3 minutes videos. It can be more than 3 hours. Like, you got the point, right? So from earning perspective, I would say you have to go with the long format. Short form is good for getting views and going viral or getting quick subscribers. But if you really want to make huge amount of money, in that case, long format that you have to use. Let me give you a quick thumb rule. By using that, you can choose the perfect niche for your YouTube videos. So you should be choose a niche where you have passion, you have skill in that niche, and there is a huge audience for that topic. Then not only you get good amount of money, but also you will enjoy doing the work. So you need to have a good blend of your passion, the profitability, and the audience demand. So that's how you choose the perfect niche. Now let me give you a example. So the niche on which people pays lots amount of money is digital marketing, then comes tech, then comes finance, and then come beauty, food blogging, and all other things. So if you make videos on digital marketing or tech reviews, in that case the money that you will be making is way much higher than any other category, for example food blogging and other things. And the third step is recording your videos and uploading on YouTube. So don't try to make your videos perfect, just try to make videos as much as possible and upload it on YouTube. That's how you make better videos with the time. And all you need is 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hour to monetize your channel. So after you monetize your channel, ads will be run your channel and you will get sponsorship, and by doing this you will start earning money from YouTube. So the next way of making 1 crore is doing freelancing. Now the traditional way of doing freelancing will never be able to make 1 crore. So let me tell you the exact step that you need to follow in order to create 1 crore from freelancing. So firstly, you need to master a particular skill. It can be video editing, it can be graphic designing, or it can be website building, it can be anything. First step is you need to be in the 1 or 2% in that particular skill. The second step is doing work for the client. You need to create a really good portfolio in website, for example Upwork or other freelancing website. And if you work really hard, if you work consistently, in that case you will only be able to make 1 lakh or at most 2 lakh from Upwork or any other freelancing website per month. Only way of creating huge amount of money from freelancing is to take leverage. So if you have a really good portfolio in freelancing website, in that case you will have so many clients and orders, and after a certain period of time you will not be able to do all of this work single-handedly. In that case you need to hire some people who will be working on your behalf and do all the work for you. In that case you can work on a commission model. For example, 50% of money will be shared with the person who is working for you and 50% you will get. So in that case, rather than earning 1 lakh per month, you will be able to earn more than 50 lakhs per month if hundreds of people is working for you, right? So this is the way that you need to use if you want to make huge amount of money from freelancing. And actually lots of people are actually doing it. There are freelancing agencies under which lots of people are working. So this is all for today's video. If you think this video is helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you want to watch this type of videos more in future. And I will catch you in the next one.